Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. Today we'll be working on a Ford Edge, but what we'll be doing here actually will apply to Lincoln MKX. Why? Because both of the vehicles share the same platform and same drivetrain, same engines, guys. If you're experiencing a problem, guys, where your radiator fan is stuck on all the time, guys, the radiator fan is stuck on, guys, and it doesn't turn off, stay with us and we'll explain, guys, what could cause that and how to fix it. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, we make at least, guys, 200 videos. We take them completely apart. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully, guys, you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy the scanner that we're using, replacement parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link, guys, in the description of the video below. Okay, it's there, guys, for your convenience. So now, this is a 2009 Ford Edge that we're demonstrating on, but it should work on Lincoln MKX and Ford Edge, guys. Not just that year, guys. It should cover at least the first generation, maybe even the second one. Now, I want to show you something first. Before we do anything, before I reconnect the scanner or anything like that, I will go ahead and start the car. And listen what's going to happen now. I'll shut my mouth for a little bit. Check out now. Okay, the temperature gauge may drop. It may actually work or it may drop, guys. Another thing, we'll open the hood and listen now. Radiator fan, guys, being stuck on all the time. And the engine is not very cold, believe me, guys. So what we're going to do now here, I'm going to go ahead and connect the scanner. Okay, find your OBD port, connect the scanner. Next, what we'll do, okay, we're going to turn the car off. Turn the ignition on only. Okay, just like that. Connect the scanner. It's going to establish communication. It will take just a little bit of time, guys. Okay, not too long. It's going to read everything, establish communication, and it will give us, guys, the problem here. Click enter. Next, we're going to select read codes right there. After that, select, guys, check stored and pending codes, because you may have information under both of them. Pending is the most recent ones. The codes that we have: P1289 cylinder head temp sensor circuit high input, guys. That tells us that most likely, guys, we have a problem with the temperature sensor. We'll click live data. Okay, I want to show you something now. It's going to take just a little bit of time to actually load. Okay, it takes just a little bit of time now. It's loading, guys. It's reading all the different parameters and sensors that are in the car now. And next step, guys, will be to actually select view data. Complete data set, and this one right here, it's okay, coolant temperature sensor. It's stuck at 15 degrees Celsius, guys. Okay, now 15 degrees. So let me show you now, guys. It says 15 degrees on the coolant Celsius. That's not right, guys. It can be that. What it reads now actually is the temperature from the air, guys, the air temperature outside, and that could be through the intake temperature sensor, guys, and it just stuck at 15 now. So that okay, it's not climbing. It also cannot be coolant temperature because car is running. It will climb pretty quick, so there is no way it is that, guys. Fahrenheit, that will be like in the 50s, I think. So this is the, guys, the coolant temperature sensor. We'll show you where it's located. That's what needs to be replaced, and let's show you now. We'll turn the car off. We'll go outside. I'll open the hood. We'll have a person open the hood and support it while we're getting out, guys. And if you want to see the whole video about the coolant temperature sensor replacement, guys, we're going to have that on the channel, so check it out. It's called Coolant Temperature Sensor Replacement on Ford Edge, guys. Okay, because it does take a lot of work, guys. I mean, it takes quite a bit of work. So let us show you now, okay, where it's located. So if you guys come right here, this is the engine, as you can see. Now between the V, guys, where the V6 is, that is the wire, okay, for that engine. Okay, and that wire is for the coolant temperature sensor. It's installed on cylinder head number 1, bank 1. Now, if you need to remove and replace it, check the connection first, but if you need to replace it, you need to remove the upper intake, lower intake, quite a bit of work. We have everything from start to finish on the channel. Now, we'll go ahead, replace it and show you guys. Okay, it will show you what it looks like, and if you want to see the video, check out the video. So this is, guys, the sensor. Okay, that's what it looks like. This is the sensor out of the engine. Now, this is a broken sensor, okay? You can see it even broke here. So we replaced it, guys. We'll go ahead, restart the car and see if that fixes the problem now. So we're going inside. What I'll do, I want to clear the code first. Okay, to make sure that I do not have any codes. So now let's go back. Okay, and we're going to erase codes. Erase, done. Now, guys, you're going to notice that the temperature gauge will be working. If we start the car, okay, and open the hood, okay, we shouldn't have the engine light on, and the fan shouldn't be on. So let's check it out now. Fan is not working, guys, so that definitely took care of our problem. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.